Good morning all students. Today's lecture in advanced accounting in this chapter insurance claim account, and insurance claim account under the first method in this problem solving for the first method loss of stock method. In this next practical problem, in this today's practical problem solved for the university Pune University examination in March April 2018. In this problem solving for the today's lecture, in this continue for the practical problem solve and continue. Firstly, continue problem reading. In this continue first, a fire occurred in the business premises of Mansar Trader Mansar on 15 October 2020. From the following particulars, ascertain the loss of stock and prepare a claim for insurance. In this practical problem under the Mansar Traders Mansar, in this companies are the fire, in this date of fire for the 15 October 2020. In this all statement is continue following. In this first stock on 1st January 2019 rupees 15,300. Next, purchases from 1st January 2019 to 31st December 2019 rupees 61,000. Next, sales from 1st January 2019 to 31st December 2019 rupees 90,000. Next, stock on 31st December 2019 rupees 13,500. Next, purchases from 1st January 2020 to 14 October 2020 rupees 73,500. Next, sales from 1st January 2020 to 14 October 2020 rupees 75,000. Paragraph, the stock were always valued at 90% on cost. The stock salvage rupees 9,000. The amount of policies was rupees 31,500. There was an average clause in the policies. In this practical problem, here come to the all points. In this firstly, Mansar Traders Mansar, in this date of fire 15 October 2020, in this opening stock, closing stock and purchaser transaction, in this indemnity period for the in this practical problem under the indemnity period for 1st January 2020 to 15 October 2020, in this indemnity period for the Mansar Traders Mansar, and in this practical problem under the new adjustment, in this stock were always valued at 90% only cost, 90% on cost. In this related for the all stock, closing stock and opening stock. In this working note for the year calculated for the working note in this stock, and salvage stock in this Mansar Traders Mansar, in this 9,000 salvage stock and policies amount 31,500. This policies amount Mansar Traders Mansar. In this continue, firstly working note in this opening stock and closing stock. Closing stock and opening stock, in this always only 90% always. In this continue for the year working note stock 90%, here 90% only stock. In this decrease for the 10%, in this 100% is a decrease, only 10% is equal to only 90% stock, closing stock and opening stock. In this problem under the opening stock, here amount opening stock 15,300. 15,300 in this opening stock. Here calculated for the only 90% for the opening stock. In this year 15,300 divided by 100 into 19 is equal to 17,000, is equal to 17,000. Here opening stock, here opening stock opening stock calculated for the only 90% of cost in 10% decrease for the all percentage. In this 15,300 is equal divided by 100 into 90, only 90% of cost. In this calculated for opening stock 17,000. Next calculated for the closing stock. This continues. Here problem under the closing stock on 31st December 2019 rupees 13,500. Here problem under the closing stock here 13,500 calculated for the here 90% of cost 30,500 divided by 100 into 19. In this calculation for the closing stock here 13,500 is divided here, sorry, in this year continue 15,390 divided by 100 is equal to 70,000, sorry, here continue. This working note calculation calculated for first continues starting first opening stock in a stock of cost 90% cost. In this 10% decrease and continues for the opening stock in this problem under the 15,300 and continues 15,300 divided by 90 into 100 is equal to calculated for the opening stock 17,000 and next here closing stock calculation calculated for the 90% of cost here 90% into 100 13,500 divided by 90 into 100 is equal to 15,000 is calculated for the opening stock and closing stock. In this year calculated for the closing stock and here opening stock only 90% of cost. It's okay and continues day to day transaction. In this mention for the previous year here trading in the books of Mansar Traders Mansar trading account for the year ended 31st December 2019 debit side credit side particular rupees and firstly transaction mentioned for the opening stock and closing stock in this year 2 opening stock amount here calculated 17,000 here mentioned for the trading account in this debit side for the opening stock amount 17,000 and next transaction for here closing stock calculated amount 15,000 here by closing stock amount 15,000 and continues problem. A fire occurred in the business premises of Mansar Trader Mansar on 15 October 2020 in the date of fire 15 October 2020. From the following particulars ascertain of loss of stock and prepare of claim for insurance. In this calculated for the insurance claim amounts. In this year for the firstly opening stock in this opening stock here calculated and mentioned for the two opening stock and closing stock two entries mentioned and next purchases from 1st January 2019 to 31st December 2019 amount 61,000. Here Mansar Trader Mansar in this financial year started for 1st January and year ended 31st December in this every year for the accounting year for Mansar Trader Mansar. And second entry purchases amount 61,000. Here two purchases amount 61,000. Next sales from 1st January 2019 to 31st December 2019 rupees 90,000. In this mention sales for the trading account credit side here by sales amount 90,000 amount 90,000. Next transaction stock 31st December 2019 rupees 13,500 is calculated for the closing stock. This calculated only 90% of cost 15,000. Here mentioned for the by closing stock amount 15,000. Next transaction purchases for the indemnity period and sales indemnity period and the continues for the practical problem in this close for the trading account. Firstly, trading account close. Your trading account close for the debit credit side, both on credit side. Total credit side 19,000 plus 15,000 in total 1,05,000. 1,05,000 and here calculated for the gross profit 1,05,000 to gross profit calculated for the gross profit 1,05,000 minus 17,000 minus 61,000 is equal to gross profit 27,000. Gross profit is equal to 27,000 and trading account is the close. And next, calculation of gross profit rate. In this formula for the gross profit divided by sales into 100 into 100. In this formula for the gross profit here calculated 27,000 and sales 90,000. Here calculation for the 27,000 divided by sales, here sales this 90,000 into 100. Calculation for gross profit rate, here calculation for the gross profit rate, here 27,000 divided by 90,000 into 100 is equal to calculating for the 30% on the gross profit rate. 30% on gross profit rate and continues. Next, memorandum trading account for the period 1st January 2020 to 15 October 2020. In this indemnity period for the Mansar trader Mansar, indemnity period 1st January 2020 to 15 October 2020 in this indemnity period, and prepared for the memorandum trading account debit side, credit side, particular rupees. And firstly mentioned for the previous year in the closing stock, in this year, current year in this opening stock. 2. Opening stock here mentioned for the year 15,000 and continuous day-to-day transaction for purchases entries and sales entries. Purchases from only indemnity period for the mention for the purchase transaction and sales transaction here mentioned for the Mansar trader Mansar. Here purchases from 1st January 2020 to 14 October 2020 rupees 73,500. Here purchases to purchases amount 73,500. 73,500. Next, sales from 1st January 2020 to 14 October 2020 rupees 75,000. In this mention for the indemnity period for the memorandum trading account under by the sales amount 75,000 by sales. 75,000 and continues stock salvage stock in this next entries and continues for the other 30% calculated for the gross profit, 30% on sales. Here calculation to gross profit in a bracket 30% on sales. Here 75% on 30%, 75,000. Calculation for the 75%, 75,000 on 30% in this sales. Here calculated for the 22,500. 22,500 here calculated for the new current year gross profit calculated for the 30% here. Here rate 30% and on sales. This year sales amount 75,000 and a close for the memorandum trading account, and 15,000 plus 33,500 plus 22,500 is equal to 1,11,000. 1,11,000 here calculated by the closing stock. Closing stock in bracket balance in figure. Balance in figure here calculated for the all 1,11,000 divided by 75,000 is equal to 36,000. Here 36,000 for the calculated for the closing stock in bracket balance in figure, and in these are memorandum trading account, these are the close. And continues for the practical problem, ascertainment of value of stock destroyed by fire. Stock destroyed by fire. In this continues for the formula for the value of stock on the date of fire. Value of stock on date of fire here calculated 35,000. Value of stock on the date of fire calculated for the ascertainment of value of stock destroyed by fire. Destroyed by fire, and here calculated for the value of stock on the date of fire 36,000. Here mentioned 36,000 and less salvage stock. In this salvage stock amount for the Mansar Trader Mansar in this problem under the salvage stock. Here continues for the problem under the paragraph. The stock salvage rupees 9,000 and policies amount 31,500. Here only salvage stock 9,000. Here less salvage stock 9,000 calculated is equal to loss of stock 27,000. Here date of fire stock on date of fire 36,000 minus salvage stock 9,000 is equal to loss of stock 27,000. And lastly, application of average clause. Application of average clause is equal to formula value of insurance policies divided by value of stock on date of fire into loss of stock in this formula. And here value of insurance policies in this Mansar Trader Mansar in this insurance policies amount 31,500. Next loss of stock here calculated amount 27,000 and value of stock date of fire here calculated 36,000. The amount in this year calculated and mentioned for the practical problem under the insurance policies amount. Here insurance policy problem under 31,500. 31,000 divided by value of stock on date of fire. Here value of stock on date of fire 36,000 into loss of stock. Here calculated loss of stock 27,000. Calculation for the 31,500 divided by 36,000 into 27,000 is equal to 23,625. 23,625. Here amount of claim. Amount of claim is equal to 23,625. Here calculated amount of claim 23,625. 625 in this amount of claim calculated 23,625. Lastly calculated amount. Okay. Any problem?